Welcome to this detailed guide on undoing a component in Figma with ease. In this tutorial, we will walk through each step clearly and slowly so that you can follow along without any difficulties. Begin by opening your Figma project, navigate to your project workspace on the Figma website where you manage your design files. Once you have your project in view, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and the layers panel. This initial step is essential as it sets the stage for the modifications you are about to make. After you have your project open, locate the specific component you intend to work with. When you find the component, click on it to ensure it is selected. By clicking on your component, you activate it for further editing. This action allows Figma to recognize which element you want to manipulate. It is important to visually confirm that your component is highlighted before proceeding to the next operation. If you have difficulty selecting the right component, zoom in on the canvas for a closer view. Once the component is properly selected, the next step involves copying and pasting the component. Use your preferred shortcut or the edit menu to duplicate the selected element. This step creates a duplicate copy that you can modify without affecting the original component. Copying and pasting is particularly useful when you want to experiment with changes without permanently altering your design. Ensure that the duplicated component appears clearly on your canvas so that you can differentiate it from the original. After duplicating, focus on the child component contained within your copy. Locate the child element embedded within the main component and position your cursor over it. Use your mouse to right-click on this child component. This action will prompt a contextual menu to appear, presenting you with various options related to the child element's properties and settings. Taking a few moments to review the menu helps to ensure you do not mistakenly alter any unintended elements. Following the right-click action, you will see an option labeled Detach Instance. Click on this option when it appears, as doing so will convert the selected component instance into a regular group of objects. Detaching the instance is a critical operation in this process because it allows you to modify the previously linked component without any restrictions imposed by the original master component. This step provides the flexibility to freely adjust and customize your design elements. Finally, after detaching the instance, you will need to move the elements out of the frame. This step is necessary to accurately reposition each element so that it is no longer bounded by the constraints of the initial component frame. Carefully select and drag the elements to a new location on your canvas, ensuring that they are organized in a clear and logical manner. Moving the elements out of the frame allows for more granular control over their placement and further individual customization as needed. With every element properly repositioned, you have successfully undone the component, giving you complete freedom to adjust your design without being tied to the original component structure. This concludes the step-by-step process on how to effectively undo a component in Figma. Simply following these instructions will enable you to manage your components with confidence and flexibility, helping you achieve the precise layout and design alterations you desire. Enjoy working on your design projects with this renewed capability and flexibility in Figma.